So this is the importance of iteration during the design process. What is iteration? Iteration at its base is the repetition of a mathematical or computational procedure applied to the result of a previous application, typically as a means of obtaining successively closer approximations to the solution. In layman's term, it basically means using a previous answer to move on with the procedure to get closer to the actual solution to the problem. Iteration in the design process. Now, as you design a system, you have to change various aspects of it because the specification of the user's needs may change, or you learn something new about their requirements and thus need to change the system. This is one version of the design process. However, there may be many others. In this one, we have the idea, the prototype, the actual building, and the analyzing. The importance of iterative design. Iterative development of software involves steady improvement of the design based on various evaluation and testing methods, such as user testing. Hence, to make sure that everything works as it should, the producer may have to run through the process again and again. When you're ideating, the first part of iterative design is coming up with the idea of the system that fulfills your client's needs. During the process of building the system, this may change, or the system won't probably solve this, and thus needs to be relooked at with the old design in mind. Prototype. The prototype is a basic version of the system that will form the basis of what the actual system may look like. Sometimes the prototype will fail and you will need to restart the design process from the start, or you may just need to sort out the prototype itself. The actual building. This involves using the prototype and the ideas to complete the real system. There may be errors within the complete system that will lead you to having to retry to build the system, or even start from the beginning. And finally, analyzing. This involves scrutinizing the system and checking for any errors that may have previously gone unnoticed, as well as making sure that the system itself is efficient and works for the client's needs. If it doesn't, then you'll need to rework the design with the previous one in mind, and will need to maintain the system itself.